Hello students, good morning to you. I am Shamsuzzaman Khan, lecturer in English, Shahid Noor Ali Degree College, Kalimganj, Jhinaida. You know, we have been dealing with the lesson, Unit 1, Lesson 3. The title of the lesson is Two Women. Two Women. The first one is Valentina Tereshkova. The second one is Kalpana Chawla. In the previous class, I dealt with Valentina Tereshkova, and now I would like to deal with Kalpana Chawla. And look at the whiteboard. Today's date is 7 February 2021, and you are in class 11. Look at the whiteboard, and subject is English first paper. Class title is Two Women, Unit 1, Lesson 3. At the very beginning of our class, I would like to tell you that if you face any problem in dealing with the textbook or any other kind of problem, you must contact me over cell phone. My cell phone number is 01747157341. If you face any problem, you may contact me over cell phone. So, let us go to the point. Let us come to the point. Our today's lesson is Unit 1, Lesson 3. And do you know who is Kalpana Chawla? There are two persons in this lesson. One is Valentina Tereshkova. Valentina Tereshkova is a Russian astronaut. So this lesson deals with two astronauts. So Kalpana Chawla is also an astronaut or cosmonaut, you can say. In Bangla, Mahakashchari or Nobhachari. Kalpana Chawla was born on 17 March 1962. Chawla was born in Karnal, India. He graduated from Punjab Engineering College in 1982, and her discipline was aeronautical engineering. That means her subject was aeronautical engineering. Graduating from the Punjab Engineering College, she moved to the USA. In the same year, that means in 1982, she moved to the USA, and in 1984, she obtained her master's degree from Texas University in the same discipline, that means in aerospace engineering. She also had her master's degree from the USA. She also completed her PhD in the subject in 1988 from Colorado University. She was determined to be an astronaut, though there was the Challenger disaster in 1986. In 1986, there was a disaster in the space shuttle Challenger. She was very courageous. If we face any difficulty, we just lag behind and we did not take the initiative usually. But knowing the incident, the sad incident, she did not lag behind. She did not come back. She did not came back from her desire, from her initiative, from her mission in the space. The Challenger failed after 30 seconds of its flight in the space. It destroyed and 7 crew. The member of the crew were 7 in total, and they died in the space. They died in that mission. But knowing this sad incident or the death of 7 crew members, she did not become afraid, and she took the initiative to travel the space. And she joined NASA in 1988. She joined NASA in 1988. After a 60-day mission in the space on 1st February 2003, Columbia disintegrated over Texas during its re-entry into the Earth's atmosphere. That means when Kalpana Chawla was returning after her 60-day space mission, it disintegrated. His space shuttle broke down over Texas. All the crew, including Chawla, died 16 minutes prior to its scheduled landing. It is a matter of great sorrow, no doubt. After 6 minutes, Chawla would be able to land on this earth, but it is a matter of great sorrow that before 16 minutes of their landing, the space shuttle broke down or disintegrated over Texas. What is the cause of the disintegration of the space shuttle? Do you know it? What gases penetrated into the wings of the space shuttle? And it broke. This broke the supporting structure of the space shuttle, and it destroyed, and Kalpana Chawla died. And the name of the space shuttle is Columbia. And you know, the Challenger space shuttle broke down. Then Kalpana Chawla took the initiative to travel the space, and then her space shuttle Columbia also broke down or disintegrated. And these are almost all about this lesson on Kalpana Chawla. What is the didactic side or instructive thing of this lesson? If we see any difficulty, we just become afraid of the initiative, and we come back from the initiative. We did not take the initiative because of fear. But Kalpana Chawla was very brave. She was very courageous. She did not give up her desire or determination to travel the space. So we should not be afraid of facing any difficulty. We can learn this lesson from Kalpana Chawla's sad demise. She was very courageous, so we should be very courageous like Kalpana Chawla or Valentina Tereshkova or any other great men in the world, any other great people in the world. We should learn many things from their lives. So this will do for the day. Our next lesson will be Unit 1, Unit 3, lesson our next lesson will be on Unit 3, Lesson 1, Dreams. And this the unit on dream will be your homework. You should read this lesson at home. Thank you very much.